Is your Microsoft Store acting up, preventing you from downloading your favorite apps and games? Let's get it fixed. First, we'll try resetting the Microsoft Store app. Open your Windows settings by pressing the Windows key and tapping the I key. Then, navigate to Apps and select Apps and Features. In the list of apps, search for Microsoft Store, click on it, and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on the Reset button. Confirm the reset when prompted. This often resolves temporary glitches and corrupted files. Next, let's clear the store cache. Press the Windows key and type WSReset in the search bar. Don't press Enter yet. Click on WSReset. In the search results, a blank command prompt window will appear and then automatically close. This process clears the cache, which can fix download and update issues. Now let's ensure your date and time settings are correct. Go back to Settings, then select Time and Language, and finally, Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Incorrect date and time can cause authentication problems with the store. If the problem persists, we'll run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter in the Windows search bar. Type Troubleshoot and select Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Additional Troubleshooters, and then find and click on Windows Store Apps. Select Run the Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen prompts. The troubleshooter will automatically detect and attempt to fix any issues with the Microsoft Store. Finally, make sure your Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and select Windows Update. Click Check for Updates, and install any available updates. Keeping your operating system current can resolve underlying compatibility problems that might be affecting the store. With these steps, your Microsoft Store should be back in business, ready for all your app and game needs.